How to fix Facebook poll not showing problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Facebook poll not showing problem. So guys, for this problem I will show you some tips, 5 to 6 tips. So please watch the video till the end. So let's get started. So first of all you have to do is go to your Google Play Store and then search for Facebook. Here is it. And guys, you have to see whether the Facebook is asking for an update or not. If they are asking, you have to update it. So you have to update your Facebook and then check whether your problem has been solved or not. So the next step is, what you have to do is go to your phone settings and then go to install apps or app management or app manager, and then search for Facebook here. Search for Facebook. Here is it. Click on Facebook and you can see here force stop. Just click on force stop and then you have to stop the force here, and then click on storage uses. So you have to clear all the data here and also the cache. You have to clear everything and then go back and you can see here permission. Just click on permission and you have to allow all the permission here. As I have already allowed, you have to allow all the permission here. So go back and check your pool. It will be solved. And the problem, if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is uninstall the Facebook application and then reinstall it and then check your pool. It will be solved. And guys, if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is you have to restart your phone once. Just restart your phone and then reopen it, and then you can check if the problem is solved or not. So you can use this method also. And then the last step is, again, go to Google Play Store and then search for Facebook. Here is it. And then go to scroll down. You can see here beta program. So my beta program is full, so you have to join the beta program here on Facebook. So if you do this, if you join the beta program, then the problem will be solved. So guys, this is how you can fix Facebook pool not working, not showing problem. So let's go and watch on my Facebook, is it working or not. So this is a picture. I will just click one picture here and then let's see my pool is showing or not. Yeah, it is showing. So this is how you can fix Facebook pool not showing problem. Thanks for watching.